Hey guys, today we have on our show Anshul Goel, who is one of our super parents in our Prodigy programs. Welcome Anshul, how are you doing today?
Perfectly fine. Thank you for having me here.
So Anshul, if I can ask you, how old is your baby and how has your parenting journey been like?
My daughter is 26 months old right now, and I had enrolled in the program like a month before she became 2 years old. The
Okay.
first initial basic program was a month before, and she's my firstborn child, my only child. People think that doctors know how to raise their kids and they've studied everything, so they know it, every phase of it. But it's only the theory that we know, and the practical is completely different. So it's been difficult, ups and downs, plus working parents. So our child keeps craving for our time, and it's very difficult. But through this program, my daughter clings on to me, and she calls your program as padhai karna hai.
Okay.
So she knows where I've kept the card. She goes and sits there, and she's like, mama padhai.
Okay.
So then it's like she asked for it. So I don't have to take out time. Okay, now I have to finish the 5 minutes program. She comes to me herself, and she's waiting for it all day long because I have a morning duty. So it's seven. She even before she gets up, I am off to work. So and when I come back, she's already sleeping. So we
Okay.
get time only in the evening.
Right.
So she's looking forward to that time, that when she'll find me free, and she comes and sits there. And everyone now knows, okay, now they have their own time. No one will disturb us. No one will come into our room, and we have our own time. And that 5 minutes, when it becomes half an hour, we keep enjoying. And
Yeah. Yeah, so that's the idea, right? You start with 5 minutes, but then it's more than anything else, it's about mother and baby bonding, right? You're bonding together, and that 5 minutes, it's so amazing to hear that your baby is actually wanting those 5 minutes from you rather than the other way around. So, as your baby becomes a little bit older, then and they have their own mind to make decisions and to demand your time, they are able to do that, and yeah. So I'm assuming that your baby is loving it.
oh, she's absolutely loving it. She insists on which activity she wants.
Okay.
And for the other activities which she's not that fond of, for those I have to make an effort. No, first we'll do this, only then you'll get time for that.
Right. Yeah. So every baby has their favorites, right? So and it's like if a baby is hungry, or if a child is hungry, if given a choice, they'll always have ice cream and chocolates, right? But
Right,
they need the other nutrients as well.
exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
So same way you tell them, na, first you finish your food, only then you will
Yeah.
get the ice cream.
Correct.
So similarly, I have to finish the other activities first, and then she'll get the favorite one.
Right. Yeah. So, but everything is useful for them. So, at this age, they can't make the best decisions for themselves. We also have to intervene. But most of the time, all babies love at least 80-90% of the activities, and some they are like, okay, this I like, but this is not my favorite. I think that's what's going on.
In fact, I am also learning so much from your program. Like those cards, they have so much of information. Even I didn't know so many things, those so many species of insects and all that. And those music files, but I don't have an aptitude for music that much. It's only Bollywood songs. So it took me 3 4 weeks initially, first to learn it myself, to how to incorporate it in my daily life rather than making it like a serious activity. Only
Yeah.
then I could introduce it to my daughter.
But now she is. But that's great, right? Like even if you don't have the aptitude, your daughter will have the aptitude as she grows up.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now I just have to tell her, Kyra, I need beats. So she'll give me one, two, three, four.
Oh my God! Really? That's amazing. That's crazy. So it's the 5 minutes is working. So I'm assuming that you've not been like practicing it too much. You've still been doing only 5 minutes a day or something, right?
I don't get that much time. So it's
Yeah.
5 minutes, or some activities like if I have an off or it's a Sunday. So that ways the mobility sessions, like they're
Yeah.
unlimited. So we go out and play, and that's those things gets extended. Otherwise, rest of the things are just the
Yeah.
timings which you've given.
but she is able to do keep the beat with just that much amount of practice that you've given, right?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
she loves doing kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. So I've taught her in
Okay.
that way only. Ke one, two,
Okay.
three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So she picked it up.
Did your med school teach anything about these things when you were studying medicine? Anything about early learning and development in babies?
No,
Anything like
no, not at all. In fact, all my relatives make so much fun of me that you will make
that?
your daughter clear IS exams in the fifth standard itself, and what you keep teaching her all day long, and what you're doing with her. But ultimately, when she shows results, obviously they appreciate it. It's just a fun thing to tell each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah, and if your baby is enjoying it and they are wanting to do it, then why not, right? Why not? It's not like you're trying to force fit them into this path or that path. It's not that, right?
No,
Your
no.
baby is
The
enjoying, your baby is
activities,
craving it. You said it yourself, right? Your baby is craving it.
yeah.
What are the kind of, what is the kind of things that you want your baby to be doing where as she grows older, she goes to school? Do you already know, okay, I want my baby to be like this, or you're like, my baby will do whatever she wants to do?
See, I want her to do whatever I could not do. I
Okay.
loved dancing, I loved singing, but my parents had that outlook that if a child is diverted towards extracurricular activities, the curriculum suffers.
Yeah.
I had enrolled in everything, but it was just like one class a week, two classes a week, and when there
Mm.
are exams, you just leave everything and just study. I
Yeah.
want her to be competent enough to handle everything at
Absolutely.
once so that her ultimately she'll need the curriculum whatever she becomes in life, but her extracurriculars should not suffer because of that. She should not regret when she grow up, okay, I could have done this, I could have done that. So
Yeah.
she should be able to handle everything. So if she is competent enough that okay, I can finish my syllabus in this much hours, so why not do extracurriculars?
Yeah.
I want that for her.
Yeah, no, that's so powerful what you're saying, because I can completely relate to that. In fact, the reason that I started doing this with my baby was exactly that, right? Like, because I have known people, and I know that you also went to this same school, so you must also know such people who would play football all day long and then top their exams as well. So
Top
it's
the
definitely
exams.
top the exams, yes, but it's entirely possible, and it's all dependent on how much they have sort of developed their abilities while they are young, right? And your baby is 26 months old, I believe, right? Your daughter is
That's correct.
26 months old, and I'm as so like our baby is now close to 3 years, right? So what we can notice, like as he's growing older, the learning capacity does start diminishing. So it does happen, right? So and the window of opportunity that is available when they are young, the most that we can make of it, and our babies want to learn, they're craving for it. So if we can provide them lots of opportunities, then of course it will help them as they grow older. So yeah.
Just yesterday, me and my husband had gone out to buy something for her, just like that. So he keeps looking for toys, and I keep looking for something which she can play with and learn also. So that's the difference in the thinking. He thinks, no, no, she's too young right now to give all this. No, 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 no,
Yeah.
no, not this.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's always the case. So when we start doing this program, it moves from 5 minutes to if the and our entire outlook towards our baby and their life, right? And it goes to, I don't know if it has happened with you, but for us and for most parents, it that outlook goes to every family member who's interacting with the baby, because then they all of them start interacting with the baby like how, without any baby words, without any treating them as an individual, giving them that respect of an individual, hearing them, listening to what they have to communicate back to us, all of those things. How many family members are there in your house? So who does she get to interact with?
I have an extended joint family.
Okay.
So we are 16 people.
Oh wow.
So I have to tell each and everyone no baby talk, no baby talk.
Yeah. but they are all getting used to it, or not really. They're like,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
what is,
Mostly the kids interact with her. Like she
yeah,
has four other cousin brothers and sisters.
okay.
So they are the best teachers. Whatever I don't get time to do the activity, so I
Yeah.
teach the youngest one. Tomorrow I'll be going to my office, and whenever you get time, you just teach her this. Just keep repeating this again and again and again. She'll keep listening to you.
Yeah.
That's the best part.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Anshul Goel, for joining us, giving us your time. We are very humbled and grateful. And if you would like to share some last thoughts, last words with us, please do so.
Initially, when I had seen your advertisement, so I was very skeptical about joining it. But the 21 days program, I thought, okay, that's fine. I know the pattern, I can do it myself. So I did not join the advanced program for about a month. But
Okay.
during that month, I realized that it's not easy. The research which you have done, it's not possible. Even if I know the pattern, even if I know what I have to do and I have to give those 5 minutes to my baby, it's not easy to design any activity on my own, because your research is way beyond and it's so thorough that you've planned it in such a nice manner that step by step my daughter learns it everything on her own. I'm
Right.
not putting in that much of an effort. So your program is amazing, absolutely amazing for parents like us who, but we think that our children should be way beyond us. Every parent thinks that. So
Yeah.
our parents taught us what they could not. But
Right.
to learn what we could not is a way new technology. And
Right.
these techniques, and during this lockdown I still feel so bad that during the days where she could run out and play, I cannot take her. So at least give her something that I will feel nice about. It's basically for myself, that I
Right.
should not have that guilt that I could not give my child the best possible thing.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I completely agree and resonate with everything that you're saying, because all of the same thoughts happened with Shraddha and me as well when we had our boy, right? And that's why we said that this has to change, this cannot go on like this. And yeah, it's very, very difficult to do it in a planned manner and every single day, right? Like it's not just you do it once and it's done. Every single day coming, thinking about what you need to do. And yeah, if and your baby is just wanting your attention, wanting to bond with you, wanting to learn everything about the world. And yeah, so that's why we said, okay, if we can make it super easy, which parents can follow and babies can enjoy, then why not, right? So yeah, thanks for those kind words. Thanks for coming on the show, and super grateful and super happy to have you on our show. Thank you so much.